Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to read your own Bazi birth chart, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to understand your Bazi chart. In this video, I'll show you how to tell if your day master is strong or weak, how to identify your lucky elements, and real-life case study to illustrate this concept. Let's jump right in. A Bazi is composed of 8 characters and divided into 4 pillars: the year, month, day, and hour pillar. The top row represents the heavenly stems, while the bottom row represents the earthly branches. These 8 characters, together with your luck pillars, form a complex matrix that encapsulates every aspect of your life. The interactions among these elements contain hidden messages that hold the secrets of your destiny. By cracking this code, we can unlock the doors to understanding your life's journey. A lot of people think that Bazi is quite abstract, but actually, if you understand how the system works, you will realize that Bazi principles resonate with the natural patterns of the world. To generate your Bazi, you can use any online software to get your chart. With the chart in front of you, the first thing you need to do is to find yourself. The element that represents you is located in the day stem, also known as the day master. All other elements around you represent the main structure of your life that shape your destiny. Next, we need to determine whether your day master is strong or weak. Bazi is all about comparison of power among the elements. The elements that support you in the chart increase your energy, therefore they belong to your team. The elements that drain your energy belong to the opposing team. By comparing the energy of the two teams, we will know the answer. If your team is stronger, then you are a strong day master. If your team is weaker, then you are a weak day master. Once you've found your day master, then you need to identify the most dominant element in the chart, which is the emperor element of the chart. This element is located in the month branch and provides 45% to 50% of the chart's energy. So if the emperor element supports your day master, it means that you already gained 45 to 50% of the energy backing you. For example, if your day master is wood, according to the 5 element cycle, both wood and water increase the energy of wood. Therefore, wood and water elements belong to your team, while metal, fire, and earth belong to the opposing team because they drain or consume your energy. In this case, if the emperor element of the chart happened to be the wood element, this is called born in season, because the day master was born in spring when the energy of wood is the strongest. If there's another element in the chart that also supports the wood element, then you are most likely to be a strong day master. If the emperor element happened to be water, as water nourishes wood, you are also considered born in season. If the emperor of the chart is fire, we know that wood generates fire. You burn yourself to illuminate others. Of course, it reduces your energy. If there's another fire element located right below you, then you are very likely to be a weak day master. If the emperor of the chart belongs to the earth element, as wood conquers earth, this requires a lot of energy. As a result, the wood energy is weakened. Another example is when the emperor of the chart is metal. As metal cuts wood, it diminishes the wood energy. Therefore, a wood day master born in the month of metal, earth, or fire is considered born out of season. If we just focus on the earthly branches, not counting the emperor element, if there are 3 supporting elements in the earthly branches, this is called 得地, meaning gain territory. If there are 2 supporting elements and 1 opposing element in the earthly branches, you're also gaining territory. If there are only 1 supporting element in the earthly branches, this is called 失地, meaning you're losing the territory. Now let's check the elements in the heavenly stems. Not counting the day master, if there are 3 supporting elements in the heavenly stems, it's called 得势, meaning you are gaining power. If there are 2 supporting elements but 1 opposing element in the heavenly stems, you're also gaining power. However, if there's only 1 supporting element but 2 opposing elements, it's called 失势, losing power. Based on these 3 criteria, you will be able to determine whether your day master is strong or weak. If you got 3 yeses, you're likely to be a strong day master. 2 yeses, you're also likely to be a strong day master. If only 1 yes, you're likely to be a weak day master. And 3 no's, most likely a weak day master. If you are born in season and there's another supporting element, you're also likely to be a strong day master. Follower charts are exceptions. Feel free to check out my follower chart videos. We also need to consider clashes, combinations, pairings, penalties, transformations, and harms, which I will talk about in more advanced Bazi videos. The next exciting step is to identify your lucky or favorable element. No one's Bazi is perfect. There's a popular saying about Bazi: imperfections are valuable. Without them, things would just be ordinary. What it means is that a good Bazi is not one that's flawless, but one that has flaws and can be overcome by remedies. This remedy is known as your favorable element. It's the element that makes your Bazi become more balanced and harmonious. For example, in a Bazi, if there's an element causing problems, like a troublemaker, and another element within your chart can neutralize the negative effects and stop it from causing problems, this is considered a good Bazi because there's a remedy within the chart to address the problem. It suggests that this person is likely to succeed and thrive in life. There are also cases where there's no remedy in the original chart, but the remedy arrives during a particular luck phase. This means that during that specific period, the person is likely to achieve success. Some people's remedies came early in life, so they're likely to achieve life's peak early on. Some people's remedies came a bit late in life, so they can enjoy the rewards of their hard work after many years. Some people are very lucky. They have remedies most of their lives, so they are living a joyful and prosperous life. While some, unfortunately, has no good remedies in their life, so they may face a lot of challenges in life. Therefore, knowing your favorable element is very important so that you can take advantages of the positive phases and take precautions during unfavorable ones. There's another simple way to understand this. Because I like baking, so I always use this analogy. Say, for example, if my goal is to make a cake, the ingredients I would need to make the cake are flour, eggs, salt, sugar, baking powder, milk, butter, and a cake pan. The elements in your birth chart represent the fixed ingredients you were born with. In this example, there are too many eggs and too much salt, which you don't need, and you are missing the baking powder, milk, and sugar. If your luck pillar provides exactly what you needed, then you have everything necessary to bake a cake, meaning you are very likely to achieve your goals during this phase of life. However, if there's a phase where more salt arrives and an extra baking pan, which you don't need, these elements are useless to you and can potentially create more problems. The interaction of these ingredients won't give you a good cake. Therefore, this phase is considered unfavorable. Now let's have a look at a real-life case example. In this chart, the day master, Jia Wood, was born in the month of Hai, water. Since the most powerful element of the chart is water, which nourishes wood, the day master was considered born in season. The day master is further supported by an additional water element and 2 wood elements. This combined energy of wood and water makes the day master very strong. For strong day master, we need to drain its energy to make it more balanced. Since the water is the commanding element and has very strong energy, we need to use dry earth to control the excessive water. Earth element is therefore the remedy, or the favorable element of this Bazi. However, the problem with this Bazi is that the earth element is not existing in the chart. You can think of it this way. Dams were built to control flood, but if there's no dam, the water would be out of control and creating a disaster. During the luck phases, if strong fire and water energy arrive and there's no earth, there's a conflict between water and fire, creating imbalance in the chart. During phases where the metal and fire energy are both strong, this conflicting relationship can also lead to problems. However, during a phase when dry earth elements arrive, together with the fire element, the flow of energy within the chart will become more balanced and harmonious, leading to a happier and more prosperous life. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you find this Bazi video helpful. If you need personalized Bazi consultation, feel free to check out my website. See you next time.